Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about speed and energy of an object.
Let's begin. Motion energy is the energy an object has when it moves. Which image shows the object with the most motion energy? And the correct answer is letter A, fast ball. A ball hits a gong at 2 speeds. Why does one hit make the gong ring louder? And the correct answer is letter C, more motion energy changes into sound. Energy transfer happens when energy moves from one object to another. Which image shows more energy transfer? And the correct answer is letter A, hard hit.
A ball hits a wall at 2 speeds. Why does one hit make more noise? And the correct answer is letter B, more motion energy changes into sound. What does the table show? And the correct answer is letter C, higher speed. Balls move objects farther. A moving ball hits a still ball. Why does one still ball move farther? And the correct answer is letter B. Faster motion transfers more collision energy.
What does the table show? And the correct answer is letter A. Higher speed marbles create louder sounds. A cart hits a block at 2 speeds. Why does one push the block farther? correct answer is letter A. Faster motion transfers more useful energy. Toy cars crash at different speeds. What does the graph show? And the correct answer is letter B. Faster cars make louder crashes.
A toy car crashes at 2 speeds. Why does one crash make a bigger sound? And the correct answer is letter A. More motion energy changes into sound. What can students conclude from the line graph? And the correct answer is letter C. Higher speed marbles create louder sounds. A marble hits a metal cup at 2 speeds. Why does one sound louder? And the correct answer is letter C. More motion energy transfers into sound.
Which image best supports a true statement about greater energy transfer during a collision? And the correct answer is letter A. Hard collision. Hands are rubbed together at 2 speeds. Why does one trial make more heat? And the correct answer is letter C. Faster rubbing changes more energy to heat. Which image best supports a true statement about a louder sound during a collision? And the correct answer is letter B. Big crash.
A book slides across a desk at 2 speeds. How can speed change the book's temperature? And the correct answer is letter B. Fast sliding makes more warmth. Which picture shows the can moving farthest? And the correct answer is letter A. Hard kick. A bowling ball hits pins at 2 speeds. Why do some pins scatter farther? And the correct answer is letter B. Faster motion transfers more energy outward.
Which setup likely knocks over more dominoes? And the correct answer is letter B, speedy toy. A hockey puck hits a cup at 2 speeds. Why does one cup move farther? And the correct answer is letter C, more motion energy transfers during impact. Which skateboard likely moves the foam block more? And the correct answer is letter A, pushed board.
A wagon pulls a sled at 2 speeds. Why does one sled move farther? And the correct answer is letter C. Faster pulling transfers more motion energy. Which observation best shows greater transferred energy? And the correct answer is letter A, far movement. A collision moves one object different distances. How can distance show transferred energy? And the correct answer is letter C, greater distance shows more transferred energy.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.